Tap the icon located at the bottom left of the touchscreen: panorama, photo, video, low light, slow motion, and time-lapse. And swipe up from the bottom edge of the touchscreen to access the parameter settings interface, where you can adjust the video resolution, frame rate, and aspect ratio. Swipe left on the screen to enable or disable Pro Mode. In Pro Mode, you are allowed to adjust more parameters such as exposure, white balance, color, focus mode, and image adjustment. You are allowed to set color as normal, HLG, 10-bit, D-Log-M, 10-bit, and adjust sharpness and noise reduction in image adjustment. In addition to the common single-shot autofocus and continuous autofocus, Product Showcase Mode has been newly added, prioritizing foreground focus. Product Showcase Mode is suitable for scenarios where objects need to be showcased at close range. In addition, by tapping the microphone icon on the left of the Pro Mode icon, you can also adjust the audio settings, as in switching channels between stereo and mono, and enabling or disabling wind noise reduction, and switching directional audio among all, front, and back. Once the settings are properly configured, you can embark on your journey of video shooting.